I just completed my Graduate Diploma in Applied Management from Otago Polytechnic, and I am currently working at Lockhart O'Shea as an office administrator. For my industry project, the partners at Lockhart O'Shea asked me to design a client onboarding system for them. So I would have to survey employees and using their feedback help the partners get a proper automated web-based or software to help them with their client onboarding.
We're a boutique chartered accountancy practice. We've been established for 15 years. We primarily deal with high net worth clients. We felt that the Otago Polytechnic Work Experience Program was a really good opportunity to see somebody's skill sets, see how they cope and adapt in the field, and we look at it as a way of looking at future employees as well. Larissa came in to assist us with a specific project, which was our client onboarding project. Larissa came in, she took this project, ran with it exceptionally well, and as a result, she was offered a position as a general administrator / receptionist in the team.
The highlight of my internship was definitely that I learned to work independently, along with managing the front desk, also learning bookkeeping, because that's something that I have never done ever. Accounting is not my thing, but I'm definitely picking up a lot of stuff and I'm actually excited about it.
We would definitely recommend that our employees take students from Otago Polytechnic's work experience. It's been a wonderful experience for us and for Larissa.
It's been an amazing journey, starting from the classrooms at Otago Polytechnic to working here full time. I'm constantly getting to learn new things every day and I cannot wait to see where this is going to take me. At this point, the sky is the limit.